This next song is called Tear Down the Wall. And I'll let you decide how you feel about it. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Americanos, escuchen, it's our turn to listen to what migrantes endure to leave home and come here. Camino fue difícil, the journey wasn't easy. Nos acogemos con ternura, let's welcome them with open arms. Destrocen el muro en nuestros corazones. Tear down the wall in our hearts. Destrocen el muro en nuestros corazones. Tear down the wall in our hearts. Soñadores cruzaron rıos, selvas, desiertos. Dreamers who journeyed through rivers, jungles, and deserts. Aguantaron, hambre, you endured hunger and thirst. Porfa, vengan, descansar. Please come and rest. Destrocen el muro en nuestros corazones. Tear down the wall in our hearts. Destrocen el muro en nuestros corazones. Tear down the wall in our hearts. Es muy complicado, we don't know everybody's side. If we did, maybe our lives could entwine. El coraje